Well, the meeting in Chennai by the BCCI's governing body is over. Sources reveal that the BCCI is not filing a criminal case just yet, but they have asked the Rajasthan Royals franchise to explore options of filing criminal charges. Sources telling headlines today that a dedicated anti-spot fixing officer is to be appointed for each franchise. Rajasthan Royals may file criminal charges against the players. FIRs might be registered by the Rajasthan Royals against S. Srishant, Ajit Chandila and Ankit Chavan. Rasesh Mandani is with us on the phone line. Rasesh, just take us through everything that you're hearing about what happened at the meeting.
The BCCI's president is about to speak on the meeting, but I think what we've been able to gather from the sources, I think the biggest issue to come out of the meeting is that the board has advised the Rajasthan Royals, the franchisee in question, to file an FIR. In fact, if there is any petition that is filed by one of the three cricketers on their suspension, then that could be replied to by the franchisee itself, not by the BCCI. The sources in the board tell us that the legal opinion that they have received is that since these players in IPL are contracted to the franchisees, it would be a stronger case if the franchisee were to file a case against them. So then we could very well possibly see the Rajasthan Royals filing an FIR and also reply to any petition that may be filed by players as to the comments that have been made by the lawyers of various players in question. The other important thing as far as checks and balances in this concern, we've been able to gather as far as the future of IPL is concerned, there may be a dedicated anti-corruption officer with each of the franchisees so that the management of each of the franchisee and the players and can focus better. Remember, the IPL is a peculiar tournament, unlike international cricket. There are already anti-corruption officers during each game, but if there's a dedicated officer, it would help.
Also, tell us a little bit more about this dedicated officer, Rasesh. The idea that there should be a dedicated anti-corruption officer for each and every franchise. Why was this not already the case?
And I think, well, it's obviously an improvement of the situation that we found ourselves in. Look, the mechanism works in this fashion. The BCCI employs the anti-corruption wing of the ICC, which has been in operation for over the years, managing international cricket as well. BCCI has put its own anti-corruption wing in place, but that has still got a limited staff. It is not still completely operational. Ravi Savani, who used to head the ACSU, is now heading that entity. But as far as the whole IPL functioning is concerned, the BCCI still has to use the services of the ICC and its anti-corruption wing. Now, each anti-corruption officer, of course, the IPL is a tournament which is played across the country. The different games at different venues, different players involved, different franchises involved. It's an enormous tournament. And so the understanding was, and one of the suggestions, the proposals that has been made by the ACSU representative that was present in the meeting we've been able to gather is there is a dedicated officer who knows the same set of franchises, the same player, then it would be able to function in a better fashion.